All right, check this one out. This is a truck we had coming that somebody put their name on it before it got here. This is a 21 Trailboss, 6'2", 6.5 foot box with the leather package and convenience package too, which can be pretty hard to get right now. It also has the Dark Essentials package, so you get the black badging, the black lettering, 18s with the Duratrax. Guy's picking the truck up tomorrow morning. Good looking truck. Check out the inside. Leather bucket seats, BOSE stereo system, auto 4x4, 4 high, 4 low, built-in brake controller, heated seats, dual climate control. Does have the factory drop-in GM liners. Seat back storage. We did put mud flaps on it. Power release tailgate, sprayed in bed liner. GM tonneau cover. Of course, this truck will have a standard lifetime powertrain warranty. Got some trucks like this coming that are still available, so if you'd like to know more, give me a call.